customers love the Discovery, but now is the time for it to be replaced, and our approach has been very radical.
The next generation Discovery will deliver everything that you would expect from a Discovery today. So the fact that it looks so, that I say, so sexy, it doesn't mean that it has lost some of the functionality. In fact, it's even more capable than previous generation Discovery.
We've created a vehicle that is more universally desirable, more compelling, more design literate, beautifully proportioned, it's very modern, it's very sporting, it's very desirable.
The essence of Discovery is that interior, exterior material quality all coming together to create that perfect environment.
Our team's role is essentially to be the glue between the interior and the exterior.
I have 3 children, so I've had first-hand feedback from them about seat comfort through the cabin.
It's very much family oriented. It really focuses on versatility. This vehicle needs to sit equally as comfortably in the urban environment as it does out there in the great wilds.
It's for the whole family. It has 3 rows of seats. It's for children, muddy boots, muddy dogs. All the materials are premium but not precious, so they will all withstand all of the abuse that your family, dogs and children can throw at them.
We've really honed in almost obsessively to look for opportunities that we could incorporate clever stowage ideas. The heater controls, they fold down, and we discovered a little space. So it's all those little features through the cabin that I think really enhance the Discovery.
The one-piece tailgate is a great piece of design that delivers all the functionality of the split tailgate, a much bigger opening, more usability and a much better quality in the end.
When people see the new Discovery, they'll go wow, because it is a jaw-dropping design.